The BuilderAll review webinar is about to start.
How would you like to start making money today with BuilderAll's 2-tier commercial license? Where you would get access to a done-for-you, completely automated, and proven system that will help you generate sales and create an additional source of income for you on a monthly basis. There are 6 irrefutable rules when it comes to having success online. It was by knowing these rules and analyzing all the reasons people have a hard time to succeed online that BuilderAll created a done-for-you and completely automated system. In order to explain this better, my good friend James is here to help.
With the BuilderAll's 2-tier commercial license, all you will have to do is drive traffic to your unique affiliate links. Chris, are you ready to discuss how it all works?
Yes, thank you, James. You choose which funnel you like to promote, get the link and begin promoting. The rest is already done for you with our automated system. An email sequence ready to be sent out telling people about the reasons they should be using our platform, and all you have to do is promote your link. Because the rest is already done for you. You will have access to dozens of high-converting banners so you can promote on Facebook or any other native platform. You will be able to choose from dozens of higher effective sales funnels used by top marketers in the world to generate millions of dollars each month in sales. And on top of that, you'll even get access to our special training bonus that teaches you how to run paid ads using the top ads platforms in the world today. When you promote your affiliate link, people will be able to get access to BuilderAll's platform for 7 days free. Once they decide to sign up and pay for their subscription, you will get 100% commission for their first month, and 30% commission for every month after that. This is 100% commission for all your direct sales on their first month, and 30% commission for every month they decide to stay active using the BuilderAll's platform. Much like the same way you came to this video, right after people pay for their subscription, they will be presented with the same offer you are watching now. Once they decide to upgrade to BuilderAll's 2-tier commercial license, you will earn 100% from their upsell purchase, all the while still making 30% commission of every month they continue to pay for their regular subscription. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once people that have upgraded to BuilderAll's 2-tier commercial license begin making sales, they will be making 100% commission for the first month on every direct sale, plus 30% commission for every month thereafter. And you will also receive 30% commission from their direct sales. You'll be able to earn 30% commission from your direct sales, and also 30% commission from the sales that people that decided to upgrade to the BuilderAll's 2-tier license that generated sales. Can you see the power of duplication and automation of this system? Not only will you have access to a ton of promotional material already done for you, but every time you sell you will earn 100% commission from your direct sales, and 30% commission on a second level on a monthly basis. This is definitely a revolutionizing way to earn money while providing an incredible value to people that are looking for a solution like BuilderAll's platform. The rest is already done for you. Now, what about the leads? Do you keep the leads? Absolutely not. These are your leads. These leads will be part of your email list, and if you decide to promote other things to your list, you can. All we did is create a highly engaging, high-performing email sequence to get people to see the amazing potential of using the BuilderAll platform and begin using this automated system right away. Once they decide to take action and pay for their subscription, you earn the sale. Here is where it really gets interesting. By promoting this BuilderAll platform to other marketers and treating this like a real business, it becomes a very lucrative opportunity. Once you enroll in our Business Builder monthly subscription, you will have access a secret strategy walking you through step by step to achieve the 365-day Business Builder plan results here. Now, all you have to do is click on the link below to take on this special offer price. The price you see on this page is a special price for the BuilderAll's 2-tier commercial license, and it can go up at any moment, so hurry and lock in the price you are seeing on the screen below.